welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about storage for your bathroom. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle. So if you would love to know what's coming up next, don't forget to click that subscribe button, join the family, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. So I don't have a linen closet in my bathroom, so I said what better way to share with my audience a no linen closet storage solution. Even if you have a linen closet, I actually still have some organization hacks that'll give you some cute storage solutions. Caddies is a great way to organize your storage and add storage to a bathroom. I got these wood caddies from IKEA. I have a smaller one and a larger one. The smaller one I'm putting in the shower. You can store your bath wash, things you need for shaving, your hair, all that stuff works great in these caddies in the shower. And then my cleaning one, I put up cleaning products in. Guys, this Whip It, I love this stuff. I just found out about it. I have used it to remove stains from my furniture. I clean with it. It's amazing, amazing stuff. I'm gonna come back and go more into detail about that in one of my cleaning videos. But just know, if you want to check it out, I will leave a link below. So I'm just gonna store my cleaning products under the sink. Do not judge my under the sink, guys. I have not gotten to that yet. I mean, things are stored in storage bins right now, but it's so much I wanna do, and I may come back and do it later. I don't know if I'm doing it on camera. If you guys want to see it, just let me know. So in my toilet room, I'm gonna take out this old storage bin. I've had it for years and years and years, and I found these marble and chrome cute storage towers from Amazon. Storage towers definitely is an easy way to add some organized storage to your bathrooms. So I don't have a linen closet, so storage towers was my way to go. You can add tissue to it, whatever you like. They just are amazing for adding extra storage. Now this tall 6-foot storage tower I also got from Amazon. I will leave links below, and it's also in my Amazon store. This thing fits perfectly in my toilet room. My toilet room is actually pretty spacious. I don't know if you can really tell from the angles on camera, but it's actually a pretty spacious toilet room. And we had plenty of room in the corner to add this storage in there, which worked out perfect since we don't have a linen closet. And I love that it's marble and nickel, because that's the color of my bathroom. And so now I have a place to store my towels, and you can store anything on it. Bar carts is a great way to add storage in your bathroom because you can move it around, and I love taking baths, so this one was perfect to roll to my bathtub when I needed it, and then I can store it back against the wall when I don't need it. Another way to add storage is baskets. I am a huge fan of baskets. I love baskets and trays, but baskets is an easy way to store things in a really clean and nice way. So you can roll your towels up and store them in the basket, which I'm gonna do. I actually have a lot more, but just for video purposes, I'm just trying to show you an example of how it's gonna be. And I'm gonna add this to the very top up here, so I can put plenty of my additional towels up there and store those. For the smaller baskets, you can put anything. I'm using it for my extra soap and my extra toothpaste. I'm using another basket for my wash towels and wash rags. So baskets is one of my favorite all-time storage products to use. This one I'm just gonna throw all my extra soap in just to keep it hidden and tucked away. And then I'm gonna keep all of my bath products in, and my scrubs and my bath foams and all of that, so that you can store it in a nice way. And I'm just gonna add all of these to my storage tower, and it's perfect. I found the woven baskets from Target. All of those came from Target, and the little wooden one, I actually found that on clearance at Home Goods, and so I got them in the colors of cream and white. You can also use cute storage boxes to store many things around your bathroom. I found these two boxes from Z Gallery. I got them on sale, and I think they were perfect, and they're huge. Like the storage space, you can stick so much in these things and tuck them away in your bathroom. And even I'm throwing in panty liners in one. So yeah, you can hide all of your feminine products and, you know, have your bathroom still looking nicely decorated. Another item you can store things in your bathroom with, jars. So for these jars, I'm gonna store all my feminine products. So in the small one, I'm gonna put my tampons in it. And then in this larger one, I'm going to store my pads in. So it's just a great way to store the things we have to have as a woman, you know. But it's also cute storage. People would never assume that's in there. So you still can keep your bathroom looking nice and clean and organized. It's just a cute little storage hack that I really love. Glass jars is also a nice alternative to storing things around your bathroom. I have used glass jars for my Epsom salt like for years. This year I wanted to change it up and put it in like a milk can so I could just pour it out in my tub, and it worked out perfect. You can also find tops for these if you want to use a top. And I actually mentioned this in my previous video, so if you guys did not check that video, be sure to go watch that one as well. I also found this little glass bowl from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna store my bath balls in it. Perfect. Trays is also an easy way to store things on and store items on. You can use trays for anything. You can store almost anything on them. I have lots of trays in every room of my house. You can put candles on it. You can put plants on it. You could store towels on it. You could store bins on it. You could store so many things on trays. Another storage hack is using a tissue caddy. So it stores rolls of tissues on here without drilling holes in your walls, and the top serves as a place for your phone, so you can put your phone and watch TV on it. Another little storage hack are these brush cleaner storages that hides the brush. It's a nice place to store your cleaner without you seeing the brush. So let's talk about towel storage. I found this towel rack on Amazon, guys, and I didn't want to drill holes in my walls right now, but yeah, this towel rack is amazing because it's freestanding and you can store up to 3 towels on it, and you can move it around. You can take it out if you want. If I wanted to take it out, I could. But it's just great because it's versatile and it spins and turns. I love this thing. I highly recommend it. And this is how it's looking so far. It's definitely giving me the storage space that I needed, and it's still looking nice and clean and crisp in here. So I really am glad I chose this. If you enjoyed this video, if I gave you a hack that you didn't know about or you really liked, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. And if you did not check out my simple bathroom makeover, be sure to head over to the video and check that one out as well. And I'll see you guys next time.